Trans Bhutan Trail, a former Buddhist pilgrimage route connecting sites in Bhutan and Tibet, this 250-mile path will reopen in March 2022. Connecting the country, the trail's westernmost point is the town of Ha, which is near the border with Tibet. The easternmost point is Trashigang, near the border of India's Arunachal Pradesh state. Heaps of history. The trail, once busy, fell into disrepair when Bhutan began building roads in the 1960s. Planning for pathways. Visitors who want to walk or bike any part of the trail will need to apply for a permit. Walking while wandering. Bhutan's focus on sustainable travel helped make them the first country in the world to achieve carbon neutrality. Love of land. Bhutan is also famous for its gross national happiness index. Timing the trek. If a traveler is in good shape and covers a lot of ground, they could likely walk the entire trail in about a month. Royal on the road. Bhutan's King Jigme Khaisar Namgyel Wangchuk will officially open the trail in March 2022.